This is a super cool tool that can swap your face with anyone you want to look like. Let me show you a step-by-step tutorial about how you can swap faces with Midjourney. This tool is known as Insight Face, which is basically an open source library for all your swapping needs. You can use your own face or any other face you want to swap with. You can also mix and match different faces to create new and pretty interesting combinations. First up, start by creating an account both on Midjourney and Discord. If you want to have full benefits, go for a premium subscription plan on Midjourney to unlock all the exciting features. If you're wondering why Midjourney is on Discord, they are all about developing an AI community where creators can share and see the magic of other creators in real time. Once you're all set, it's time to build your private server. This is where the real magic happens because this private server will host both the Midjourney and Insight Face bots, and will be unlocking the incredible face swapping ideas. Adding these bots is an easy-peasy task. Simply look for the plus sign in the bottom left corner of your Discord sidebar. Click it, select Create My Own, and then follow these easy steps to invite the Midjourney bot to your server. First up, go to the Direct Messages section on your Discord sidebar. Look for the Midjourney bot. Once you've spotted it, tap a right-click to access the bot's profile. Here, you'll want to choose the option that says Add to Server. Next, a list will pop up with your available servers. Select the one where you want to bring Midjourney's magic to life. Once you've made your choice, click both Continue and Authorize. This finalizes the addition of the bot to your server. See how this bot will open on your screen. Afterward, you'll need to invite the Insight Face bot to your server to enable the face swapping. Next up, you got to register your Face ID. To do this, capture a decent front-facing pic without glasses, preferably, and put it in with the /save ID command. This will tag that face with a unique ID. However, for the best face swap, try using a high-resolution photo with a front view and pick faces with somewhat similar features. Once you're set on that front, you'll want to get your image uploaded. Use the /imagine command over in Midjourney. From there, you've got options aplenty, and if you're looking to jazz things up a bit, go for one of those U buttons to upscale. Once you've got your image sorted, it's time to get to the fun part. Face swapping. Search for the InSwapper plugin. Just right-click on the image you've got in hand and move your cursor over to Apps InSwapper in the drop-down. Click and boom, the magic happens instantly. You'll see that fresh face swap staring right back at you in a blink. Note that the identity you registered earlier will be set as the default one. But whenever you feel fancy, the /setID command has got your back. Use it and switch out that default identity whenever you need something different right from the context menu. Now it's finally time to swap your face. The Insight Face plugin also allows you to change faces using the /swapID command. Put in the ID name you got before, drop in the image you love to vibe with, and hit enter. Within seconds, your brand new face swap will be adoring the screen. That's it. It's super fun whenever you want to try out how your face looks with different personas. Insight Face has got your back. Midjourney's privacy is also unmatched. They've got you covered. There's no sneaky image storage and no unnecessary sharing. It's a quick in and out job. You put in your image, swap those faces, and if ever you're feeling some buyer's disappointment on that pic, delete it with a swift /delete command. Clean and neat. However, good things also come with prices. But luckily, Insight Face lets you enjoy some complimentary credits to get you started. You get a nice little bundle of 50 free credits, and you'll need 3 of those credits for each face swap. Despite this, to make the most of this face swap tool, you must use detailed prompts like /Midjourney with specific features for accurate image generation. Think of it like ordering a custom pizza. The clearer you are about your toppings, the tastier it will be. The same mantra applies there. The more precise your command, the more elegant your swap will turn out. Always go for well-lit, clear images for InSwapper face swaps. Ditch those dim-lit, grainy shots, and save the mysterious, shadowy profile for your next Halloween. However, glasses, hats, and scarves can be chic, but give them a miss here. They can hide your natural features that will later result in out-of-proportion swapping. Make sure there are similar poses, angles, and expressions for natural swaps with Midjourney-generated images. Always play around and experiment freely. Swap faces with different people across a range of Midjourney images. And remember, you've got a bunch of commands like /save ID and /swap ID to help you out. It's your canvas, so paint freely. But everything aside, you should keep an eye on ethical considerations. Always ask permission from individuals whose faces are being swapped or used in any way. It's a privacy over anything mantra. If you're sharing or posting images or content created using face swapping tools, make it clear that it is digitally generated. This will keep you out of legal trouble as much as possible. So that's a wrap. Face swapping is such a great way to get some cool shots without any fancy photography session. All you need is to log in, put in some commands, and voila! Your brand new face appearance is ready. Give it a try if you love some cool snaps. Until then, hit that subscribe button and let us know what you want to see next.